Hello everyone. Sorry I'm late. Actually got here and had quite a few visitors already, ready to go about 1:45. I'm here in Douglasville, Georgia, showing an open house. We have a split level right here behind me, 4 bedroom, 3 full baths, and it's for $229,900. I want to go ahead and give you a view of the house. So this is the neighborhood passerby. This is where the property starts. That's the main street coming into the subdivision. All of this belongs to this house. And there's our house. We have a long driveway. It's the rest of the subdivision here. That road goes back to the back. The road is important because it's one way in the subdivision and one way back out. So you won't have any excess traffic. You see this fenced-in backyard. There's a 3-car garage with 2 doors. One large, one small. It's a pretty nice day out here today. Overcast, but no rain. Again, this is a view of the front again. That long driveway. Access to your house. Technically, this is a corner lot. Trees separate you and the neighbor. And let's go take a look inside. So this is our foyer. Check out those hardwoods. Hardwoods are throughout most of the top floor. It's tiled down. That's downstairs. We'll go down there in just a few. Give me 1 second. Again, we have hardwoods and the carpet's been replaced on the top floor. So we wear booties around the house right now. So as you enter the home, see those beautiful hardwoods again. It's the entrance to our back. Now this couch, this sectional itself is probably like a 10-seater almost. Give you an idea how large this room is. Vaulted ceiling. Back down to the entrance. So up here at the top of the stairs, you have the entrance to 2 of the bedrooms and the bathroom that's shared between, the entrance to the back, entrance to the kitchen, and the master bedroom is right here off to the left. So that's our top floor. Let's go take a look at the extra bedrooms, the sub bedrooms. Here's bedroom 1. Big enough for them to have a corner desk. And this room faces the front of the house on the corner. It's a double door closet. The second bedroom is right across the way. It's enough room for a desk, probably even a corner desk like the other. And this bedroom faces the back of the house. Double door closet as well. And like I said, it faces the back of the house. You can see out the windows in the corner. That's our backyard. Carpet feels great. We have a linen closet right here, right outside the bathroom, of course. Our bathroom has tile floor, vanity, regular shower. It's a typical full-size bathroom. And we'll go back out to the main area. kitchen. So our kitchen has stainless steel appliances. Kind of a breakfast bar area. And it's an eat-in kitchen. But there's more. Have a pantry over there. Nice bay window that overlooks the side of the house. And as I said before, we have our beautiful stainless steel appliances. Beautiful cabinetry. And our refrigerator. Style of cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. We have recessed lighting. And that's our kitchen. Now when we come back out, it is an eat-in kitchen. However, there's a separate dining room over here. You could do anything with this room. It has a door to it, as you can see. Another huge bay window. And this overlooks the backyard, as you can tell. You see the fence in the back through the windows there. And this room is big enough probably for a 6-seater. And we have those floors in here as well. Okay. And let's go ahead and take a look at the master. Here's your coat closet. The entryway to the master. Now again, the seller has replaced the carpet upstairs. It's brand new carpeting. The master actually overlooks the front yard. You can see that through the curtains, through the window. It's a very large walk-in closet. You have one side there, and on the other side it's equal in size and shelving. Very nice size. Our bathroom has not one vanity with mirror and storage space, but 2. And the jetted tub in the middle. The glass over the tub is the cracked faucet. Can't see in or out. We have our commode room here with the door. A tile floor. Not laminate here. And the standalone shower. It's very nice. It's enough room. We have countertop space. I think these are about 2.5 feet wide, probably. Then we have the rest at the top. So this is our master. And the master is probably about the size of the 2-car garage, probably. So I'll walk back out. And that's pretty much our top floor. Before we go downstairs, I'm just going to give you a view of this humongous backyard. Carpenter bees like it back here. So from fence to fence, this is your backyard. As I was explaining, or one of the visitors were commenting, said enough room back here for a pool, another deck, an extended deck. We have play area for the kids. Have another little patio area over there. It's paved out. Don't have to worry about a lot of trees back here. It's a slight slope, but not as much as you think it is in the pictures. Much more level than you think. And again, it's all fenced in. You have one entrance, which is on this side of the house, where the paved in part is, and the garage. And this is the back side of the house, back on our way back in. All right, give you a nice little view from the back door to the front door. It's a lot of space in here, guys. And let's go take a look downstairs. Our stairs are not carpeted. You know, some people love that feature. The downstairs is mostly tile, as you can see. At the bottom of the steps, we have a closet here for storage. We have entrance here for the garage. That's a little surprise back there. And this is our third full bathroom here. And our fourth bedroom. Again, this room is probably a little bit bigger than average size, standard size bedroom. It sits off the front of the house. We have a double door for your closet area, and this bedroom is carpeted. And like I said before, you have tile going back out, and there's actually a door. You see a door here that separates the bedroom and bathroom from the rest of the downstairs. So you have some privacy for anyone that's staying down here, because we have one more room here. It's not a bedroom. You can actually use it as a playroom or whatever you like. But this is part of it. It's a very large area. You can make it into a movie room. And here's another part. Another area. They have it set up for gymnastics for their daughter. It's a whole nother section. There is no closet. But this room, you can make it into anything connected to this room that you can also make into anything. Part tile, part carpet. Because when you go this way, we're in our laundry room. And that's the door to the backyard. So folks, it's a lot of room in this house. And a lot of space you can just imagine and make it your own. You can make that into another bedroom. This is big enough for an in-law suite. I hope you enjoyed this tour. And I hope it's enough for you to come by. If you like, we can schedule your own private showing. But this isn't going to last long. We've been listed now for just 3 days. This is our first open house. Give us a call. I look forward to hearing from you.